Imagine you're a dog. A giant hairless creature opens a magical box. Food appears. Every single day, you have no job, no income, no responsibilities. Yet somehow, food keeps arriving. From your perspective, your human might actually be a god. But dogs aren't the only animals with strange opinions about us. Cats see us differently. Birds see us differently. Sharks see us differently. And mosquitoes? Well, they mostly see us as a flying buffet that forgot how to fly. Today we're going to explore one weird question. How do different animals see humans? Because the answer is far stranger than most people realize. Dogs, the giant family member. Let's start with dogs. For thousands of years, humans and dogs have lived together. So how do dogs see us? The surprising answer is, not as another species. At least not entirely. Studies show that dogs form emotional bonds with humans that are remarkably similar to the bonds human babies form with parents. When a dog is scared, it often runs to its human. When it's happy, it looks for its human. When it's confused, it checks its human's reaction. Basically, dogs treat us like trusted family members, which means your dog probably doesn't spend much time thinking, "Ah, yes, the human species." Instead, it's more like, "That's Dave. Dave is my weird giant family member." Cats. The oversized idiot cat. Cats have a very different approach. Dogs evolved to cooperate. Cats evolved to be independent hunters, which explains a lot. Scientists have noticed something interesting. Cats use many of the same behaviors on humans that they use on other cats. Rubbing against your legs, purring, greeting rituals, even bringing gifts. Usually dead ones. Cats don't seem to treat humans as superior creatures. Instead, many researchers believe cats see us as giant, somewhat incompetent fellow cats. Imagine being a cat. You watch a human struggle to catch a fly, need tools to open food, need cars to travel, need instructions for everything. Meanwhile, you're casually performing Olympic-level acrobatics before breakfast. The cat is probably thinking, "Poor thing, it tries its best." Birds, the observers. Now let's talk about birds, especially crows, because crows are terrifyingly smart. Researchers discovered that crows can recognize individual human faces. Not only that, they can remember them for years. Years. If a crow decides you're dangerous, it may remember your face long after you've forgotten the crow exists. Even stranger, crows can tell other crows. Imagine getting bad reviews on social media, except it's from birds. To many birds, humans aren't owners or family. We're simply giant creatures moving through their world. Some are safe, some are dangerous, and they're constantly watching, judging, recording, probably gossiping. Elephants, the memory champions. Elephants might have one of the most sophisticated views of humans. They can recognize individual people, distinguish voices, and remember encounters for years. In some regions, elephants even react differently, depending on whether past experiences with certain groups of humans were positive or negative. Think about that. An elephant may meet thousands of people throughout its life, yet it can still remember specific experiences. For an animal that can live for decades, humans become part of a very long memory. You might forget an elephant. The elephant might not forget you. Sharks, the confused investigators. Now let's head into the ocean. Humans often think sharks are obsessed with eating us. The reality is much less dramatic. To a shark, humans are weird. We're not seals. We're not fish. We're not normal ocean animals. Most sharks have never evolved to hunt humans. Imagine accidentally biting a candle when you expected a cheeseburger. That's basically the shark experience. The shark's reaction is often, "Ew," and then it leaves. Not exactly the terrifying movie villain we imagine. Mosquitoes, the blood detectives. Mosquitoes have an incredibly simple view of humans. You're not a person. You're not a personality. You're not even a face. You're a heat source, a carbon dioxide machine, a walking blood container. Mosquitoes can detect the carbon dioxide you breathe out. They can sense body heat. They can even be influenced by certain body odors. While you're busy worrying about your future, the mosquito has one thought: blood. That's it. That's the entire business plan. Dolphins, the curious strangers. Dolphins are among the smartest animals on Earth, and when they encounter humans, they often display curiosity rather than fear. Many dolphins investigate divers the same way humans investigate unusual animals. Imagine seeing a strange creature wandering around your neighborhood. You'd probably stare. That's basically what dolphins do. To them, humans are intelligent outsiders, not dolphins, not fish, not predators, just very strange visitors who seem unusually obsessed with waterproof cameras. Horses, the body language readers. Horses have spent thousands of years living alongside humans, but they don't see us the same way dogs do. A horse pays close attention to body language, your posture, your movements, even your confidence. Imagine meeting someone who never listens to your words, but instantly notices every emotion you're trying to hide. That's basically a horse. If you're nervous, a horse often notices. If you're calm, a horse notices that too. To a horse, humans aren't just creatures. We're walking collections of signals, which is a little scary when you think about how often we pretend everything is fine. Rabbits, the threat detectors. Now, imagine you're a rabbit. Almost everything wants to eat you. Foxes, birds of prey, wild cats. Life is basically one long survival challenge. Because of that, rabbits are experts at spotting danger. When a rabbit sees a human, its first question isn't, "Who is that?" It's, "Am I safe?" A rabbit's world revolves around avoiding threats. So, when a rabbit eventually trusts a human, that's actually a big deal. To a rabbit, trust can literally mean the difference between life and death.
And subscribe for more mysteries about humans, history, and the strange questions that shaped our species.